Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily duplicate content on CapCut. First, open your CapCut project and find the specific video or image clip you wish to copy directly on your timeline. Simply tap or click on that clip to select it, making its borders clearly visible. This action confirms you have chosen the exact asset you want to duplicate for your project. You are now ready for the next step. Once your clip is selected, direct your attention to the editing toolbar displayed at the bottom of your screen. Carefully scroll through the various tools presented until you discover the distinct Duplicate option. This button usually features an icon resembling two overlapping rectangles, making it easy to spot. Finding this button is your key to quickly creating an exact copy of your selected media. With the Duplicate button now clearly identified, simply tap or click it to perform the action. You will immediately observe an exact copy of your chosen clip appearing on the CapCut timeline. This newly duplicated asset usually positions itself directly beside the original one you selected. It's a remarkably quick way to create an identical segment for your editing needs. Now that you have your new duplicated clip, you can easily reposition it within your project. Long press or click on the copied clip, then simply drag it to any desired spot on your timeline. You might place it further down the sequence or even use it as an overlay. This flexibility allows for many creative editing possibilities, enhancing your video project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.